Hello, Professor. My name is Naiba Shabanova, and this is my individual reflection for milestone 2 of the DSA 456 project. For the starting, I want to overview of the contribution as a part of my DSA 456 project. I was responsible for the data cleaning, specifically focusing on the cleaning and standardizing the born column in the Olympic athlete BOSS data set. This column had inconsistent data formats and missing or invalid values. It's like I developed a Python function that detects the multiple date formats, which I will show you, like such as the certain January 85, in 1985, January 1st, 13, or January 1985. It's like it converts them into the standard day, month, and year format. I also handle age cases like the missing dates and incorrect central values by applying logical defaults. Yeah, so let's dive to the code. And yes, for the starting, I want to show my prompts, which I used, how I used the AI and so on. This my prompts. And I want to dive to the code as you see. For the starting of the code, we can see here, here we as see the data time is the for processing and formatting data values, and also we can see here the time, which is help me sure how like the program takes to run. So when go a bit down, we can see here the start time is like the line starts like a timer to, so I can later calculate how much the time the program looks it took to execute. So when we diving a bit down, as you see, we can here see the like function, read function I added here, which is I created a function like store each row in a list called the data set. It's like if reading is successful, it prints how many rows of loaded. If there is an error, it's show the error and returns empty list. So when we're going down, as you see here, we can see here a write. Here is a write function. It's like it's receives a like file name and a list of the rows, and then writes all of them into that file. So when we are going a bit down, we can see here the date defines the kind of the date formats, different kind of the date formats I added here. And let's start the parsing the date using the each format in list, which I used if I consist only the year, it's assume the January first default date. When I use the month and year, it's like assume the first day of the month as a default. And also here, if the consist of the month and the year, assume again the month as a default. So if not otherwise, return the formatted date, day, month, and year, and continue the next format if parsing fail. So and also we have here the noun format, print a message if the format is a noun. So when we diving a bit down, we can see here the header like from the data set. It's column headers, and the born not its header. It's like the check if the born column doesn't exist. When we going a bit down, we can see here's the determine the position of the born column. About a bit down, here's a create clean data set with a header as a first row. When we going a bit down, as here at the updated record, and the final return the cleaned data set. So when we're going a bit down, we can see here the part. This part of the code is like loads all the required Olympic and Paris 2024 files. I cleaned the born column in the athlete bio data using my custom function, save it as a new file. Then I wrote all the other original data sets and Paris files in the new output files to keep the data consistent and ready for the further analysis without changing the original files. So I think in the conclusion, I want to say that like I ensured that data set is clean, consistent, and also ready for the analysis in our project. Cleaning the burn column was essential for accurate age calculation and reliable reporting in later tasks. So yeah, thank you, Professor, for the watching. I hope I try my best. Just explanation. I hope that explanation gave you the clear understanding of my work in this project. I have you like a professor. Thank you very much to watching my video. Yeah, thank you, Professor, again. See you. Bye.